Okay, it's time to get this loaf into the oven. It's really nice and bouncy. Get my blade wet. I think I'll make 2 slashes. Okay, I'll get that into the oven and we'll see how it does. Looking beautiful. Loaf is now done. Here's our loaf at 88% hydration. The loaf appears larger than the other loaves that we did, and in volume it actually is, but the weight is still the same. It feels really light and puffy. Has a real nice thin crust, crispy. So we'll wait until it cools and then we'll slice into it.